going on, everybody? I'm just sitting here at a it's a little nature trail in Cambridge, Kitchener, Ontario, and figured I'd do another little video on preventative maintenance for your van or truck or whatever you're in. Preventative maintenance is key, especially in this business. Even if you're working for a fleet owner, somebody that drives a van, they don't own it, they just drive it for somebody that owns vehicles that doesn't drive. I did a whole other video on that. I'll link that in the description and the different little series that I've done. But I'm going to talk about vehicle maintenance. Make sure you do your oil changes. Make sure you do your tire rotations. Make sure you do your transmission. There's a fly in here. First one of the year, man. Do your transmission service, rear end fluid changes, spark plugs, just all kinds of stuff. Make sure you do it, because when that vehicle stops running, you stop making money. So when you start doing preventative maintenance, like your spark plugs, I think you're supposed to do them every 100,000, and I'll maybe do a little sooner. I did this transmission service a couple weeks ago. Had them drop the pan, change the filter, and change the fluid, and it'll be like an 80, maybe an 80-20 mix or a 90-10 mix, 90 new, or 80% new, 20% used fluid. I did this at 55,000. Reason being, I bought this van used. It had 12,000 miles on it. I don't know who drove it, how they drove it, so I did it earlier. So the next one I'll do will be at probably 100,000 or something like that. Maybe 110 or something, depending on where I go. If I'm going up and down the mountains. I do my oil changes regularly. I run good synthetic oil in it. I even run that, it's called Motor Coat. You can get Motor Coat. There's a guy on YouTube called Project Farm. He did a video on Motor Coat, which I just thought it was a bunch of hocus pocus, but that's some really good stuff, man. It really impressed me, and I put that in every other oil change. It's supposed to bond to the metal parts in the motor. They say you can do it on a big rig, you do it every oil change. On a like passenger vehicle, you do it every other, but I think I'm going to put it in every oil change. So yeah, just do your preventative maintenance. Talk to your fleet owners. If you're an owner, whatever, it's cheaper to do it now than have a breakdown. Anybody with business sense kind of will get that. These things are our money machines. That's how we make our money. So spend a little, save a lot, in my opinion. Sometimes you do get bad stuff that goes wrong, and you maintain stuff. That's part of the gig, but yeah, it is what it is. Anyways, guys, I'm going to stop yabber blabbing. I'm going to go for a walk while I'm waiting around for a load. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, that's cool too, man. Give me that thumbs down. That's perfectly fine. You're entitled to your opinion. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the little bell thingy. And want to follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I'm on there too, Expedite Travels. And we'll catch you guys later. Oh, don't forget to check out our Facebook page, Transportation Life, Wheels, Wings, Rudders, on Facebook, and we're on Zello. Zello is a free walkie-talkie app like the Nextel push-to-talk phones. It's on any phone can use it, Android, Apple. It's in their Play Store. Go download it. Go check us out on Zello, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Be safe and stay cool, man, because it's freaking hot today. I am out.